what do I have to do? Like, I have to wrap around the strings, to the strings here. There are like 2 lanes. This is the leader lane and this is the second lane, the first lane. And so leader and first, and this is the second. And every string which grows out of a tree around these 3 lanes, I have to wrap them in this direction right there onto the string. And there are a few rules. The first one is that they have to be wrapped clockwise, like this. And the second one is on one string it's not allowed to have more than 3 strains. Yeah, so I have to wrap them around here. And the most important strings are the strings which comes out of these, like in this area, because this is like the leader, and the strings which comes out from here, like for example this one here, they are very strong and important. The question is why we're doing this, because they grow up the strings, and when the kiwis are picked, the strings here, the strains here got cutted. When these strains here got cutted, the new strains which are growing up here are gonna get down, and these are the new strains for the next year. Yeah, so it's like getting up the ladder, wrapping around the strings, and that's all you have to do. First of all, it's confusing. You have to think about which string you have to wrap and which not. After some time you understand how it works. Like after some times, like after a few hours, it gets a bit exhausting. You always have to lean like up, like stretch you up, and your neck gets hurt because you have to always look up. So I get up and check the strings. Check the strains. This one could be wrapped around here. There are already 3. And this one has to be wrapped around here. This one could also be wrapped around here, but this string is full. And this strain continued growing. So oh, that's not clockwise. I have to, oh, the person before me also not done it clockwise. So I wrap it around. The big one there, that's I think a leader strain. So maybe I could wrap it around here. If I find a free place. This one could be wrapped around here because it's not full yet. Okay, so I'm gonna get down and see if I find a spot where I'm able to get more near these strings here. But they're also good here. This is also good, this is also good. Maybe I'll check this one, but I don't think I'm able to grab them. Okay, though. I'm able to. Yeah, looks good. This one has to be sorted. So I get down, see if I get up here. I have to scratch through the leaves. I have to find a way to get up here. Yeah, perfect. So these strings are not getting, these strains are not getting wrapped up there because they are too far away from the leader here. So this one is getting wrapped around here. It's pretty simple. After some time you check which one you have to wrap and which one are not getting wrapped. And the good thing is that on this farm our supervisor very chill. We also can listen to music, and he's very friendly. That's such awesome. Makes me a bit more fun to work when you also when the guy is also thankful for your work. Like after the Tuesday, he came after work to us and said, thank you for your work, guys, and that's pretty awesome. That's not normal. It came from the leader, right? Yeah, it's from the leader. So I'm gonna wrap it around here, like more down here. Get it around. Oh, I'll break it. That happens sometimes. You have to be very careful. We're done with wrapping. Now we're doing tapping. That's basically you hook every strain, and on the tip there's this small stuff here, and you have to squeeze it out so that the juice in there is coming out. That's because these strains, they shouldn't grow, and that stop them growing. So if you do it, they won't grow further. You're just gonna squeeze them so that they don't grow further. And then you have also this small bucket here. Then you dip your fingers in. It's like just soap. That's called tapping. So hook it and squeeze it. Like if you squeeze it, they will look like this, so that they don't grow further. They just stop growing here, and that's the goal. Like this one there also needs to be hooked. So you just walk through and hook everything which need to be squeezed. It's pretty simple. And here's some few things to hook. Okay, Bennett also already squeezed it. Yeah, pretty simple.